Now let's see we have to pass multiple arguments in functions. So we'll just, rather than passing just one value, which was name, we will just use the comma separated and pass as many arguments as we like. Now if we have to print it, we are using the dot format here. So I hope you have not forgotten it. You can also print it using simple print statement, but I'm intentionally using dot format and other things so that you in a way it helps you to revise. So now what we are doing is we have created a function hello world where we are printing hello followed by name and then the message. And then we are calling this function, we are using name to be through and the message to be we are proud of you. So let's run this code and see what's output. Hello is true, we are proud of you. Easy. Now suppose we want to pass a default value in argument. So for example, even if we don't provide this message here, we are proud of you, we want function to take a default value. In that case, what we are going to do is right now, along with message, we will add a default value. As you can see here, message is equal to we are proud of you. So if while calling this function, we are going to provide a message, then that will override it. If we don't provide a message, then by default, the function will use we are proud of you as the message. So let's run it. In the first case, we will not provide any value, any message. The output is we are proud of you. And say in the second case, we are providing a message, we'll be back. Okay, so you will see in this case, we will be back has replaced we are proud of you. So this is a very good way of um, using defaults, because if you are not sure or if you don't want to make things complicated, for example when we are using print statement, by default space, by default output, the and in the and object, everything is defined in print. So that's why when you are using the function, the user will not have to define or provide all the arguments. Only if they think they want to provide that specific argument, they will provide. Otherwise, they can leave with the default value. So I think we are good with it, right? Next, we are going to look that rather than just providing the value, we can also call a function and use keys. For example, in this example, we have simply passed two strings, dear moon and we will be back. And the first value has reached the first argument. The second value was assigned to the second argument. If we want, we can specifically provide values to each parameter. So we can say message is we are proud of you, name is Isro. Now you will see we have changed the sequence. Rather than giving name as first, we are giving name as the second argument, right? But it won't matter because at the end it knows that the key name is being given value Isro and message parameter has been given value we are proud of you. Okay, so let's run this. So you will see output remains the same. So this is pretty handy if there are multiple arguments and if you just want to use identifier and then assign it a value, you can do so.